Final motivation before winding this video. You people are like not like others, okay, who give 10 exams and all. I'm telling the most serious UPSC aspirant who gave their complete 1 year without like going to festivals, skipping family functions. You did not watch IPL on those days because you had to revise something. You did many things, and maybe your marriage got affected or delayed, your job got affected or delayed, your income status, many problems you had, and you studied like a geek, which we call, mean full-time studying, revising. So you have done your best. And still people make fun of you, people may not support you, people leave you and go. Many troubles you will have gone through. Okay, this happens in every aspirant's life. When we were preparing our time also, it was like that only. Everyone will face struggles. So you people have to understand that you are special because you have first had the guts to attempt the toughest exam in the country. Okay, this exam where vacancy is just in 1,000 and applicants are in lakhs. Still you are giving this exam with 0.00001% chance of winning this thing. Still you gave this exam. For that itself you should appreciate yourself. And when you are doing this process, you study history, polity, geography, economy, environment, governance. You know many things about this government. Okay, that is why you understand, like when an election is going on, this government is good for the country or not good for the country. You understand when any other paid YouTuber will tell something against your country, you know that he is actually lying. You have that IQ sense, you have that minimum common sense to understand that what I studied in this thing and what he is telling is completely mismatching. He is simply misguiding people. I know that this scheme is beneficial. I know this is going to help our country. I know this was the corruption which used to happen. I know this is the corruption which is now stopped. I know this is the scheme which is long term going to happen. What is our goal in petroleum, how we are doing? Are we doing good in renewable? Are everything you know? Your family may not know. Your other neighbors may not know. But you know things. And this actually backfires also because you know too much also. You don't have people around you who have even minimum knowledge, and you find like how can I even convince these people? Because they are not interested. They are like whatever comes in WhatsApp, they are that level. But you are someone who is actually reading the news, actually reading the books, actually listening to intelligent people, the government people, the intellectual people. Okay. So that is why you should realize you are special and you have sacrificed everything, and you could have done, meaning avoided all this. You could have gone to that stable job, you could have got that stable income. When your friend is buying a car, you could also have bought a car, the house rent, everything you could have solved. But you choose this, so you should know that you are the best and you are going behind the best dream in this country which everybody has, and it's just a matter of time. You clear or not clear, you are going to turn out to be a better citizen and better human being than the others who did not take this path. This is my guarantee to you. Okay, anybody who has prepared for UPSC sincerely, their life did not go in waste. They have achieved something major in their life. Okay, it need not be UPSC necessarily. It can be something else. But they will achieve something good, and you will also achieve something good if you had studied well. If you have not studied well, now also is there the time. 2025 attempt, take it very seriously and do that 1 year of dedicated study. Don't bother about result. See to it that I have studied the maximum. More than this, nobody else can study. That much you study, that much you make yourself perfect in personality wise and everything, smartness wise, everything, you will do good in life.